Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a BMW proximity key. This was mainly used for models starting from 2009 up until 2016. This was for the BMW F series. So the key is relatively simple to open up for the battery change. You have to press this button here, releases the emergency blade, and then we have a couple of tabs on here. So it's one on this side, one on this other side, which help us to release the back cover. So if you push these ones up, then the back cover will clip out. Okay, like so. And then you will see we have the big battery in there. It's a CR2450 in this case. With the help of the battery, we push it out. Okay. When you push the battery out, please make sure you don't put the screwdriver too much in depth, as that can damage the circuit. So just gently try and remove the battery while sliding it out. When put back into position, please make sure you put the positive side of the battery facing up. You push it back in, it slides in, and then you put the back case, click it back into position, and then the emergency blade goes back in, and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.